Apparently, the museum is closed, so here we are. Change of plans. We have to walk around to another place, go swimming, do whatever. Steve, what's the plan now? Our plan is fucked up. Now we are at the beach. Is this the Red Sea or what?
No, this is not the Red Sea.
Where are we, bro?
We need to find out now.
Bro, this must be the Red Sea. No. This must be the other side towards Bahrain.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at this name. What is this name, guy? I don't understand. What is the name?
Al-Mukhaibid.
Yes.
It's a huge roundabout. Awesome, bro. Let's go walk. There's a kids place over there. If you have kids. Steve, we must go ride bicycles. Look, come on, bro. Come on, let's go ride bicycles. What do we need? There are so many things now here we can do. Let's get the big bike. Bro, the sun is going to be burning. See, we have to go all the way to that side, so we need a bicycle. Both of us, it has both sides to cycle. Like this one here. 11:30? Yeah, awesome, bro. Bike riding. Where are we, bro? You have so many bicycles. We have the scooters. How about the scooters? How much? 50 riyal half an hour. All right, we'll start with the bicycles. If we don't like the bicycles, we can have the scooters. Awesome.
Which one can you take?
Bro, you can take any bicycle you want.
We take the small one.
Yeah, no, I want these ones. I'll take these ones first. I'll check out the one that I can ride. 2 bike here. 2 bike, bro. Steve. Bicycle. Get ready to have fun. There is no time to waste here. Time is counting. We are going bike riding. Here is my whip for the day, bro. My ride for the day. This one. Steve, you don't seem so excited. You don't like bicycles?
Let me try.
Let's go, bro. Kwa tumetoa mashati. Wewe wacha huku kuna wamama wewe. Huku utafungwa mjamaa. Utafungwa for indecent exposure.
Oh God.
Can't take off your shirt in public, bro.
My friend.
This is my ride for the day. A very beautiful bike. This is about 25 riyal. Both of us paid 50. This is Steve. So we came here thinking that we are going to swim. Unfortunately, we cannot swim here. We have to go to the other beach. The museum is closed, so things are not working out as we had planned. As I told you earlier, we are going to the oil museum. Unfortunately, so this is the side of Dubai and Bahrain and Qatar, the same. I think that they share the same ocean. This is not the Red Sea, bro. We have to go all the way around and explore. Walk around. It's a really beautiful place. What do we have here? Let's clear it closer and just see. This artwork comprises of 13 columns. Each region will be raised by a column, which means each of them has their own culture, yet all of them are connected under the rule of Saudi Arabia. Good to know, bro. Let's see. These are the pillars. Are they 13 really? I don't know whether they're supposed to bring in more, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, of course. 13. There at the corner. Hi, beautiful place. Let's go around. Where is Steve? Nah. For these scooters like this one, they are charging 50 SAR. So we opted for the bicycles. Of course, I like bikes. Oh, this is me trying to do a video for you while on the bicycle. And I like it here because they have designated places for riders like me. No, actually I'm on the wrong side, but I want to believe I can use any side. Kids over here. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, so we'll go all the way to the end. We have 30 minutes for these bicycles. I think these are mosques, somewhere to pray. Oh yeah, I can do it on one hand, bro. We have doves. Truly magnificent. Really beautiful place. Any nice, what do we call this? What do we call this? I don't know, man. Just looks like some nice artifacts. I don't know, I will call them artifacts or whatever. Yeah. And we have guys playing football. Right now, I'm high on caffeine. Is it caffeine? Caffeine. Same thing. Let's just go to the end and see the pillars we have. I hope this bicycle is not getting deflated. Oh no, it's the path. Let's go to the end. We have another kids play here. I don't know where Steve is, but as long as he has... Oh, Steve is there! No whether you can see him way too far. But before we go to Steve, let's go and see what we have here. The highways here are really clean. This is Dammam. Very clean place to be. These are swimming pools. Oh, these should be fountains. Oh yeah, what are these? Almost falling, bro. What's this, man? What's this? We have fountains here, but yeah, they look non-functional. Let's see what we have here. Of course, there's an advertisement for one big. And then we have Al-Suwaidan. The journey continues. Steve is on the other side. I don't know whether I should go inside. No, but Steve will show you the inside and I will show the outside. Then I will go back to that side because Steve is on this side. So if I want to get the views from this side, I'll watch Steve's video. I think he's here. Where is he? Here. And then so I can show you this side. I can show you this side all the way to the end. Then I'll go back via Steve's route. Alright, we keep going. Hopefully my battery will last the whole day. It's 11 a.m. We are supposed to go back home. Wow, what's that dome over there? This place, man. Without this bicycle, I don't know whether I would have gotten this far. What's this? Looks like a globe. Alright, we keep going. Steve seems to be having a good time. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see if I can negotiate this corner here. Like someone who attended the physics class. Rather, driving school. What's this here? I think we have boats. This is the place where you are, when you come here, probably you've won your a jackpot, because these are ghosts or duck. Oh, ducks, bro. No, these are geese. No, bro. I don't want to mess with these guys, bro. I don't want to mess with these guys. Oh yeah, we have boats here. Most of these places are usually open at night. We came during the day. This is Saudi Arabia. You have to learn something. These people work during the evening, especially now it's the hot weather. We have a boat, car, so mostly the night. We have kids over there with the doves. Make me want to bring my daughter here. The geese. Oh la 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 la, would you like it, mom? Right. That's the only song that's ringing in my head. Let's go to the end. We still have more time. Pass through here. No, there are kids over there. I don't want trouble here, bro. I don't want no trouble in Saudi Arabia. Since there's an island in the ocean. Ringos. Let's go. Another kids playlist. Oh, playground. So keep going. Keep going. The ocean is so wide. Who says that the earth is round? Children playing. A really nice place. What do we have here? I'm telling you, Saudi Arabia is beautiful. What's this? This is a coffee place or what? I already took a double espresso. You know my love for coffee, bro. Oh my God. Oh, my Sheila. I had this girl who used to do my Sheila thing. But it usually came out really nice when she did it out of her own volition. Not when I tell her to do it. But she wouldn't do it when I tell her to do it. So she just do it and then it would catch me unaware. So what do we have here? Oh my God. Oh, my Sheila. My hand is tired, man. Let me just pause it, then I'll take you to the other side. Fuck, the sun is fucking hot. We are at I Love Khobar. I Love Khobar with my sweet hired ride over there. I Love Khobar, whatever the fuck this place is, man. Just a nice place to hang out. Plaza Square.
Can you say something, bro?
Yeah, what do I say? Welcome to Khobar. This is Dammam. We did not expect to be here today, but look, we are here. We went to the museum was closed. So we decided, let's tour the place. No time to regret, no time for disappointment. Let's just go and have fun wherever. And whatever we see, we enjoy.
So you want to mean you're in Khobar?
Yeah, is it Dammam or Khobar?
The Khobar. This is the place where you can walk around. You can cycle, as you can see what you are doing.
I can use the scooter, but you have the bicycles.
But I prefer the bicycle is much better compared to scooter.
But the sun, the solar.
The sun is okay. We need to say thank to God.
Yeah.
Because we have so many places they're looking for the sun and cannot be able to get it.
But this one, bro, this is way too extreme. I tell you, if we didn't have this skin, bro, we'd be burning.
But you need to drink a lot of water.
How many people are here in the sun like us? Look,
but you need to drink a lot of water to stay dehydrated.
Yes, but look around. How many people?
So it's a plus point for you.
Yes.
You'll be getting skin. What do you call the sunburn?
Sunburn, scales and everything. But this African skin is the best, bro.
I thank God because it's a gift from God.
Want to say something to the people?
Oh my man.
Look around.
As you can see, what is going on here.
Show them around, bro.
So many people walking around, having fun.
Yeah.
And they're trying to extend here. Next time when you'll be coming here, I think it'll be different, as you can see there from the photo.
Yeah.
They're trying to extend this place.
Is coming up on that side.
And then they are trying to make something like, I think there'll be some restaurants there.
Yeah, swimming, look.
Swimming pool.
Because the parking is already there.
As you can see, even the cats, they're walking around, they're having fun. It's a place for everything.
That's why you have fun every day.
Oh, let us have fun, man.
Wherever you go.
It's time for me now.
Yeah.
Share with me. Let us use one phone.
Alright.
This is my day. This is the best, my man.
Hey.
How do you see it?
Very nice, bro.
Feel good.
This is Khobar.
Yes.
Khobar, bro.
But I love the place, man.
You like it?
This is my heart.
What do you like about this place?
This is my heart, my man.
Bro, I'm sweating.
Just keep on. Stay dehydrated. You need to drink a lot of water, bro.
Yes.
But this one is not too hot. I feel it's much better compared to the cold which you experience in the metro.
Oh yeah, the train is very cold, bro.
You have been suffering too much.
I've been suffering the whole time, yet you had the sweater.
No, I had the sweater.
The whole time, bro.
Whether you need the sweater.
The whole time.
But you remember what I did to you.
That's for sure, bro.
Okay, it's time for us to go back.
Let me take good pictures for you. Wait.